Let's match the puzzle. What is this animal? Is this a dog, cat, or a hippo? It's a hippo. 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 Now let's find the eyes of hippo. Here are the eyes of hippo. Let's find the face of hippo. Here is the face of hippo. Now let's find the body of hippo. Is this the body of a hippo? No. This is the body of hippo. Let's find the tail of a hippo. Let's see, what is this animal? Is this a fish or a tortoise? It's a tortoise. 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 Let's find the missing puzzle of a tortoise. First we will find the face of a tortoise. Now we will find the body of tortoise. Let's find the neck of a tortoise. Now let's find the foot of tortoise. What is this animal? Is this a cow or a cat? It's a cow. C-O-W. Cow. Let's find the face of a cow. Here is the face of cow. Now let's find the body of cow. Here is the body of cow. Now let's find the long tail of cow. Let's find the missing foot of cow. Let's find the correct position of ears. Now the ears are on correct position. Do you know how a cow sounds? Let's find, what is this animal? Is this a lion or a cock? This is a cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. First we will find the face of a cock. Now we will find the body of cock. Let's find the wings of a cock. The colorful wings of a cock are green, blue, and yellow. Now fix it into the correct position. Now let's find the foot of our cock. You know how a cook sounds? Now let's find the missing pieces of the last puzzle. What is this? A police car or a bicycle? This is a police car. Is this a place of a tire? No. This is a place of a sun. Now let's fix the tires of a police car. Do you know how a police car sounds? For more fun and educational learning ideas, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.